You are looking for a simple yet stunning macrame knot pattern you want to incorporate into your macrame designs. Look no further than this diagonal double half hitch knot braid pattern. Hi everyone, it's Nicole here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame, the channel where you will find all things macrame related. If you guys are interested in learning macrame with me, make sure you click that subscribe button and then also give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If you're at a point where you're stuck on what to incorporate into your macrame designs and you're looking for something unique, this may be the right pattern for you. In today's tutorial, I'll be going over a unique and easy knot pattern that I call the diagonal double half hitch knot braid pattern. Using only the cords we start with, we're able to make a diagonal double half hitch knot row along with a braided pattern by weaving the cords together. We'll guide you through on how to make that, so make sure you watch all the way through. If you are looking for other unique knots and knot patterns to incorporate into your macrame designs, we do have a free Knots and Sentence ebook for download over on BOCHIKNOT.com. If you guys are interested, head on over there and check that out. And without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going to start with 5 cords attached onto the dowel using lark's head knots just to demonstrate this pattern. To demonstrate this pattern, I'm using 5 strands of cord at 300 centimeters long each. To begin, we're going to start with the far left cord as an anchor cord, take the next cord beside it as a working cord for a diagonal double half hitch knot over to the right. Then continue on with another diagonal double half hitch knot with the next cord over to the right. And we're going to continue this pattern all the way to the bottom right side. Continue this diagonal row of double half hitch knots all the way to the right. Now that we have completed our very first row of diagonal double half hitch knots, we will now complete our first row of the braided pattern. You will need groups of 3 cords to make this braid pattern at a time. Using the far left 3 cords, we're going to take the third cord from the left as a working cord for a half hitch knot onto the far left 2 cords. Place that working cord back down, and then now taking the next 3 cords, so skipping the far left cord and then taking the next 3 cords, we're going to take the left 2 as anchor cords again, and then that far right cord as a working cord for another half hitch knot. Then continue this pattern diagonally downwards to the right, 3 cords at a time, until we've reached the bottom right side. And now the very first section of our pattern is complete, and all we have to do now is repeat the exact same pattern underneath. Starting with the far left cord again, make another diagonal row of double half hitch knots. And then repeat for another diagonal braid from left to right. Once we're complete with this braid pattern, make another row of diagonal double half hitch knots. And we are now complete with this diagonal double half hitch knot and braid pattern. Congrats on learning a new knot pattern. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one and are able to incorporate this double half hitch knot braid pattern into your own macrame designs. If you guys are interested in leveling up your macrame skills and making more unique and intricate knot patterns, we do go over that in more detail on our BOCHIKNOT macrame community on Patreon. So if you guys are interested in checking us out there, you can head on over to patreon.com/BOCHIKNOT for more details. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of this pattern and if you guys enjoyed this video so that I know to make more videos just like this. As always, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. In today's tutorial, I'll be going over a very unique, using only the cords we start with, we create. If you are looking for more unique and congrats! Congrats.